So now, based on the Facebook, this thing, new Facebook marketplace work, you get me. So I be want try log in this hotspot shield VPN in no gree work. Well, I go try use another VPN. I dey come out, guys post this video. So now the explanation on the Facebook marketplace of notes, you guys get your ID for work because your FB guys the like guys the verified ID verified, do I mean, you understand? So you guys get ID for work. So now this one now we go create account to do this one. I go show now. I go take one. I go take create step by step, and I go take create the account for the work. Note you no go use on the just if you use on the watch reels for the country where you want sell the market. You understand? Note now marketplace work we they do. So just chill. I go pause the video. I go try sign in on another VPN. So basically I get the Facebook account on the work, but no be this my device it is. So now my other devices it dey, you understand. So I just want show now like fresh startup as new this thing new come out to the update. So just stay tuned. This particular browser here, Tor browser. If you not get, you guys download the browser. So you go to Tor browser. So once you don't go to Tor browser, now you click on Facebook, login or sign up. Make sure say your VPN dey on or you connect to your proxy server. Don't use free VPN. Use premium register VPN like Node, PIE Express, or if you use which other VPN again, the UK. If you use a fast, yeah, if you use a fast VPN. So now take it easy on this page. No rush. Normally you go slowly load. If it is slowly load, means say you don't deconnected and your IP don't link to this thing, the VPN. So now you will see something like this. Make sure say you turn on this thing. Make sure say you don't turn on desktop browser. So once you don't turn on desktop browser, if it is PC, say if you could do okay, you could just connect your source proxy for your phone, then connect the Wi-Fi to your PC. Understand? It would be very okay for you. So just the follow up. Once you don't create account, just the follow up. You go just set each, and set everything. So the age no go to the old out like that. Understand? You go just be very young, like 1990. So just the follow up, then click on mail. If you use mail, if you use female. Note if you use note if you use email sign up, then later you go use you go add your number. Sure you get me. So guys, sorry I've been changing the browser. So you guys use this particular browser here, Firefox. Then you turn on Intego this thing, Intego mode. So just a follow up, sure. So now guys, based on the this thing, the marketplace stuff, you see you go use take before December, you go use take package some kind of phones. Understand? Note this video is for educational purpose only, yeah. So if you did watch this video, I will drop part 2 of this thing. So just try to subscribe and turn on the notification button because sometimes I feel no give info for my WhatsApp channel. And if you know see you know my WhatsApp channel, so go to my bio or my YouTube profile or my YouTube profile. You check it, you see my WhatsApp channel there, yeah. So go to the marketplace. You're going to be seeing so now you're going to be seeing something like this. Notes. Yeah. So note you're going to be seeing something like this. So now if you know say you want the package Facebook very well, you guys they follow the steps where they show you now. Understand for this work. You get me? So now you don't set up your location to the location where you want to sell the market. Like now, if you just choose to bomb for like Canada, US, UK, or Australia, or this kind of thing, or Netherlands, or either Luxembourg, Poland, or this thing. You get me? So now you go to sell, click on sell. Now you click on item. So now in this sell, this thing now, no, before you do this now, you go down create like no go dey buy if you buy Facebook, they do this thing, you get me? If you no fit in, maybe like if you no get better IP, and if you no see you want make I help you package your IP, you see you go deal with it like Like your IP go dey respond well. Like now, me on my former, like on my normal devices here, I dey only dey change IP like sometimes once in a week. Every week, shall I know say I dey do am. Understand? So if you know say you wan do am, so you guys DM, you get. So now you're going to look for websites if you see they sell flowers and trees and ECC. No vex for my voice. I get somehow sore throat. So now you go find like flowers. You try to go put on like flower. Oh sorry, Christmas tree, yeah. Christmas trees. The price if you put on like 250 or 235. Yeah. New come. So now your description will be like getting make I pause this video, make it not dey too long. So is now like make sure you go put better description, you understand. This one now like just example, she get me. So now you go find websites where they sell Christmas tree. Then you upload the if you see video, you go upload the video, you see the photos, you go upload the photos. Or you go come copy me. If you see the description, you go come copy the description for this stuff. Understand? So you now click on hide from friends. You get me? So then you set your location. You set your location for different don't allow. So you go set your location for like anywhere you want put them. Maybe now make a set man for Texas now. So now I'll click on apply. Now so they go put your location for Texas, then you click on upload publish. Simple. The work they very simple. And you know really go far, you know really dey stressed, you understand? Only thing you need to know, see, you guys do the right thing at the right time. Note your VPN or socks or Proxy, guys they connected to the particular country you want to post at. Then once you don't publish the art, guy, no bother the Facebook. If you dey watch video for Facebook, like if you dey watch video like USA something or the particular country where you dey, if you just go back. If you just go back, search for something like this. If you just go back, go search for something like this. Now you go to Reels. Then you can't watch videos with the understand. So make your account dey okay and ASAP or sharp. You get me? So now note, do ID card for your working this thing, for your working profile. So make it dey sharp. You get me? So if you know see you want to do ID card, DM. We'll run am. ID card no dey take time, like maybe just say 10 minutes. I go run am for you, or you want change your IP. This work really dey pay. You get me? Yeah, imagine say you sell this Christmas tree now. You sell Christmas tree now for like how much? For like it depends on Christmas tree, sure. You see, you get like let me just say 5 Facebook where you go do this thing. They know they use only one. They know the as a hustler, I know they based on one account. You get me? So you will get like 4 backup accounts. You go see the package work in case it burst. You grab. So now, so you just be. So now this is not really good for then. The step 2, I go post the video later. You get me? So just I'm gonna just try do this one, and I go like me gonna participate for this work. So you should just send me a DM if you don't really understand some kind of things. You get me? So peace and love.